Alright YouTube, so Gunny's just had to kick into overdrive. The panel beaters have accidentally scratched this door. Oh wow, I hope accidentally. Nah, just kidding, of course it was accident. No one would deliberately mean to do that. So the car's got to go today. I've had this rule, I was actually just saying it to one of the other painters. I've always had this rule when I work here that if a car doesn't go, it's not going to be because of me. It's not because I haven't kept my end of the deal up, you know. Always work my ass off to get these cars to go. And if this car doesn't go, it's not going to be because I didn't do this spot repair in time. So I'm going to, yeah, I've just kicked right up a gear. Absolutely smashing it out. I've got all the guns in the booth there ready to go. I'm not going to even wear my spray suit on this one. Just bang, bang, bang it out. I did have a comment recently, which is the reason I decided to get this camera on. Someone said, hey, show us what you do when you have a panel beater scratch a panel on a car that's going that day. And this is what I do. I kick it up a gear and smash it out, just get it done. So I did have to put a little bit of filler in it. This was actually a blend panel anyway, but the damage was really bad. It had broken through the paint and there was a couple of dents there. Yeah, a bit of filler and a bit of UV primer. We're in the booth. It's always the way, like, just got like 2 dribbles worth of colour left, so I had to mix more colour up and use that as a ground coat, but I've got them all in the gun, and then I had to, because I literally had 2 dribbles of colour left, I had to like mix some 599 just to sort of give me a little bit more material to work with. It's not going to cover, but it's going to go over the top of the colour that's well, similar anyway, because my colour needed matching. So I couldn't just mix more up off the machine and expect that to blend out okay. So I put the fresh colour down first, get it covered, and then my 599 mixed with the match colour over the top. Hey, thanks for that coffee this morning, Alan. It's helping me. I gave him a gun yesterday. He bought me a coffee today. I'm not going to say no to that. And that's a pretty fair deal. So yeah, like this moulding, they can't get the window down because this door's not fitted up yet. And I said, man, if you're gonna bust it, look, I'll just mask it up. It's only gonna be a little bit of clear up here. In fact, you know what? I might put a bit of fine line under there, because that is a little on the tight side. I'll put some fine line there and pull it off after I've finished painting. Alright, where's our plastic? customer needs a car, they're flying out tomorrow morning. You know the old story. Sure you've all heard it before. Moments like these, you're thankful for Rocket. So I use standoffs clear, no time for stuff ups. With that bloody juke zone clear I've been using, that takes forever to dry. And it doesn't go on very nice either. It's like it pinches right back, and I don't know, it's garbage as far as I can tell. They had a good juke zone that did the job and it dried nice and you could get nice finishes out of it. This new juke zone, supposedly it's from Europe or something. The old stuff was made in Australia. We got any foam tape in there? Nope. Anybody got time to walk out and grab some? It's gonna have to do us today. So I should have a little bit of fine line. Yoink, we do. There's all my guns set up, ready to go. I've got the blender in one, clear in another, and the two base coat colours I was mentioning earlier. I'm really going to push these products to their limits, but I know their limits. I know how far I can push them. Line on there. As I said earlier, we'll just pull that off. As soon as I've finished clearing, if there is any edge, it'll sort of melt in, you know. I'd obviously rather him take it off, but Gunny's got to do what Gunny's got to do, doesn't he? World ain't perfect, I ain't either. Alright, I should put my gloves on. Just wearing my half mask for this job. I don't usually just wear my half mask, I always, well, 99.9% of the time I'm always wearing my air fed with the glass visor. Make an exception on a Friday at 1:30 when the car's going at 4:30. They've still got another hour and a half worth of fit up on it, they reckon. So they need it ASAP. No spray suit, just cowboying it, mate. You know what? It'll probably be one of the cleanest jobs I've ever sprayed. That's how it usually goes. So this is just a bit of 599, it's going to help the blend. Not going on too heavy. And then straight up with the base coat, which was this one. I got it in the minigun just to keep it minimal. Okay, you're not spraying properly. there's something caught up around here, I'd say. I don't have time to go out, so this is probably going to fix it. 9 times out of 10, when your gun's not spraying, it's the air cap. And we're going. There you go. That's covered. This is that colour I was mentioning earlier. This is the colour mixed with some 599. I've got the heat on in the booth, obviously. Yeah, I really don't have much, and that's after mixing a lot of 599 with it, just to like give me a little bit more. But that should be enough to change the colour. A couple of white specks. That's us. We're ready to clear. As I said, I'm pushing these products to the limit. It's got a cap of rocket in it. I'm not tack ragging it. Gonna smash 2 quick coats of clear on. I'm out. That's us. That wasn't that hard, was it? So that's it. I hope you guys have learned a bit from that, how to smash it out. Part of it comes from inside, mate. Wanting to do the right thing for the boss. So I will give that 5 minutes before I hit bake. This booth's a bit hit and miss. Like sometimes if we hit bake, I saw it happen this morning, little things can fall from the roof, like a little bit of dust. So I'm going to give it 5 minutes to flash off while I clean the guns out. I'll come back in and hit bake. Whoa, 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 careful. Just got to take this fine line off, as I mentioned earlier. Hopefully we can do so without hitting the panel. Yeah, mate. That's us. Beautiful. Nice work, Gunny, if I do say so myself. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Gunman out.